Emotional day in court as a teenager learned how much time he'll spend behind bars for a deadly joyride.
The family of the victim speaking directly to the suspect in court. Local 10 crime specialist Bridget Matter is live in Miami with the story. Bridget.
It was incredibly emotional. This teen was only 15 years old when he got behind the wheel of a car without a license, going more than 80 miles per hour, killing 3 women. He will now spend the next 15 years of his life in prison. An emotional day in court. A 16-year-old sentenced for killing 3 women while on a reckless, high-speed joyride in 2024. 16-year-old Michael Santiesteban sobbed in his hands before a judge decided he will spend the next 15 years of his life in a Florida prison. It was April of 2024. The teen behind the wheel of one of his family members' cars at more than 80 miles per hour in a Hialeah neighborhood. He had no license or learner's permit. He slammed into a car with 3 women from the same family. 39-year-old Yarnia Garcia Hernandez, 53-year-old Gloria Hernandez died at the scene. 66-year-old Liliana Hernandez Molina would die months later from her injuries.
These women were the heart of our family, and they still have so much life left to live.
Family members filled with grief spoke directly to the judge about how this changed their lives.
This was not a harmless mistake. It was a choice that ended 3 lives.
Police body camera footage played in court shows the chaos following the wreck. Family members sobbed as they watched on. In February, the teen pleaded guilty to 3 counts each of vehicular homicide and driving without a license causing death. His father made an emotional plea to the court before sentencing.
He's a boy who has good feelings. He's not an evil person or anything like that.
The victim's family says this case should serve as a lesson to drivers who make the decision to drive dangerously.
These women were loved and cherished. This is about being responsible, taking accountability.
Once that teen is out of prison, he will have to serve 15 years of probation, and that entire probationary period, he can't drive, which means the next time he's eligible to be behind the wheel of a car, he will be 46 years old. We're live in Miami. Bridget Matter, Local 10 News.
Okay.